Hi everybody. Today I am putting together a little gift package for my mom, so I thought I would show you guys what I'm doing and why I'm doing it and then how I'm wrapping it. Mostly how I'm wrapping it because, unless your mom is my mom. Oh, I got a weird Twilighty thing. If your mom is your mom or my mom, let me know in the comments down below. Remember to like and subscribe while you're at it too. Oh, the Big Daddy size of Diet Dad's Old Fashioned Root Beer, not necessary. I think it helps. I'm not saying it's a secret to my non-success, but still. I'm using treat boxes with the window, and you might be thinking, why are you putting presents in a treat box with a window? Well, Brenda, Walmart did not have any gift boxes. They also did not have any boxes like this without the window. I wanted the sheet cake size, but they didn't have that. I was like, how do you not have gift boxes? Are people using those instead of toilet paper during the pandemic? I don't know what's going on. This is a, what size is this? 8x8x4. I'm actually gonna use the window for something. And the bottoms come like this. You just have to assemble them. This is our box. And my glue gun's heating up. I'm gonna just stabilize that. I like these boxes because they're sturdier than the gift boxes like Walmart. I could have gotten the boxes from Dollar Tree, but after last Christmas, I'm just, I'm traumatized. I'm traumatized by the boxes. And there's everything falling over. So, let's see what we got. I have tissue paper. I have 4 boxes of goobers because I don't know what my mom's deal is with the goobers. Every time we go somewhere, she's like, they don't have goobers. And I'm like, they're freaking chocolate-covered peanuts. Can't you just get something else? Like, there's got to be different kinds of chocolate-covered peanuts, right? But the goobers. She likes Chunkies. I found these today when I was out, so I picked those up. Her hands, like all of ours, are destroyed because at work she washes her hands and uses hand sanitizer constantly. What's wrong with me? Is it because I'm so exhausted? Okay. It's a little, the gloves. This is from, I think this is from Dollar Tree. Yeah, I mean it's not, yeah, it's April. And then a foot mask because she's on her feet all day, running around doing everybody else's work. But the main thing I got her was this little top from Target. I went out there to find something for her because I can't buy her stuff from Walmart because she's always there. I mean, she gets there at 4 in the morning and she leaves after I'm already home to take my nap. So this is just a little mustardy or like a rusty mustard. I don't know. I like her in this color. She's got a lot of yellow in her eyes. I thought oh, it's desert orange. I'm sorry, y'all. It's not rusty mustard. It's desert orange. So I'm gonna pull that off, and I'm gonna leave this on just in case. I mean, it looks like it'll fit her. I don't think it won't fit her, but if there's a chance she doesn't like it, she can bring it back and get another $20 shirt from Cambodia. So this is gonna go in one box. I'm just gonna fold this up. Wait, I know somebody out there's like, what the hell is he doing? I don't know. Okay, now I remember. Like, do I know how to fold a shirt? Yeah, you do. Kinda. I would love to get all this in one box, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Well, hold on now. Oh, would you look at that? I thought for sure I was going to have to wrap everything separately, but Look at me Marie Kondo'd the hell out of that shirt. Okay, so let's take everything out. I'm going to use 2 of the darker sheets for the shirt because it, you know, it's a little darker. And I love presentation. I'm actually going to put this here. So that's coming off. A little bit bigger than it did before. Okay, I just grabbed a whole handful of pens. This one is actually a knife, so I don't think that's going to work. It says, Mom, with loving wishes from your son. Thanks, Mom, for every big and little thing you do. I may not say it often enough, but I really love and appreciate you. Okay, I say it all the time. Freaking cards making me feel guilty. Y'all, the pen from my chiropractor. Isn't it funny? Adam and business. 6, 10, 20. Wow. Alright, and the card that has an envelope, but I'm not the one, sis. So this somehow, don't ask me how, I had no idea this was going to happen. It fits in here perfectly. So I need some tape. Oh, here we go. Wow, everything's like right where I need it today. I'm just going to put this in here with some masking tape so it's easy for my mom to remove. And that is a nice, I mean, nothing's flopping anywhere, and I have an envelope for another time. So when she opens it up, this is what you'll see. Now I'm going to clear things off, and actually I'm going to go to bed, but I'm going to clear things off, and tomorrow I will come back and wrap it, and I'll pick up the video there. It's just over here. This is a piece of paper left over. This is the Dollar Tree paper. I use this for everything almost, especially Mother's Day. I used it for Christmas one year, birthdays, for girls, women, whatever. I like it. I like craft paper. So I don't know what just fell over, but it's meant to be. This is a little wide, but Y'all, I have a horrible headache, and I want to get this done so I can take me some good drugs and go lay down. This is some Dollar Tree grosgrain ribbon. All of these are always so hard to open. I don't know what it is. I want my ribbons to kind of come right here. I'm going to put down a dot of glue. You can do this in one length of ribbon, but I don't like the knot that it makes on the back. Not that I don't like it, I'm just like, And you can't even see what I'm doing barely. Great. Oh my god. I need to take my, I don't know, I'm on this medicine. It sounds like a Pokemon. I can never remember it. It's like you Brevly, you Umbreon, something. And talk about make me pass out. I've only taken it one time because my headache has only been bad enough that I've had to take it one time. I don't even know if I'm going to take it today because my headache is bad, but not like I want to pass out for 6 hours bad. Which I wouldn't mind passing out for 6 hours, but I got stuff to do. I got an empire to run. Alright, if you wanted to, you could add a little bow there or something, but I am going to keep it simple because I'm adding these flowers, which hopefully all three of them are right there on my desk where I can see them. I can only see two of them, but I hope the other one is there too. Okay, let me see. I want to put these on here. No, this is more of a peach. I thought it was more like pinky. I really think I'm just going to put them on there like that. What she's gonna do, because what my mom always does when I make like a little gift topper, I'll give this to her. And she'll say, oh no, I'm gonna keep that. Which, please keep it because it took me so long to figure out. But even if it's something like I just, you know, put together like I didn't really make, I'll go over there once, you know, for Christmas and it'll be on the tree. She's turned it into an ornament. She's like, well, I didn't want to throw it away. I know, so you just have like a random acorn hanging on your tree. What is that? But yeah. So she can pull these off. They're mostly glued to the ribbon, so it shouldn't rip the paper too much, but there you go. That is a nice, did I just say an S and nice gift box for my mom with a shirt and goobers and what else is in there? Chunkies, a card, cash money. Yeah, she's gonna like that. And I'm probably gonna give it to her. Her birthday's Wednesday, but she's coming over tomorrow, and since she'll be here, I'll probably give it to her because I don't know that I'm gonna be feeling well enough on Wednesday to go. I don't like to, you know, risk it, so. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm like, this video came out terrible in the end, but I don't feel good. I mean, I can't, you know. All right. Comment, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Follow me on Instagram. Send me a smoke signal. Whatever. All right, guys. Bye.